If you're using Mailchimp to send emails out to your customers or consigners, you can integrate it with your Ricochet consignment software account. Start up by going to Integrations under Preferences, and in the Mailchimp tab, you'll start up by adding in the API key, followed by your customer or consigner audience IDs. Now, there are hyperlinks to the articles found in Mailchimp on how to set this up, but we will go through this in this tutorial video. So to start out with, we are going to set up the API key. So go into your Mailchimp's account. In the upper right hand corner, click on the drop down menu, then go to Account. Now you'll go to Extras, down to API keys, and you may have not created an API key, but if you have, go ahead and copy and paste the info in the API key field, or click Create a Key. Now, once you have that key, highlight it, copy it, go back to Ricochet, and paste it into the API key field. Now you've connected Ricochet with your Mailchimp account. Now what you'll need to do is sync your audience IDs. Once again, go back to Mailchimp, and then go to Audience, choose your audience, and then click View Contacts. Now, once you go to Settings, you can go down to Audience, Name, and Defaults, and in the Audience ID, copy and paste the Audience ID code. Now, go back to Ricochet, and add that into the Audience ID field. And you'll just want to do this for as many audiences you have in Mailchimp.